Welcome to the installation and maintenance process for Acomo Acoustic Spray System. A carefully executed process ensures an optimal finish and long-lasting sound absorption. We'll guide you step by step through this essential process. Step 1. Preparing the space. Good preparation starts with a clean and safe working environment. Remove all objects and equipment from the space where the work will be carried out. Carefully cover walls, floors, windows, and installations with masking material to protect them from adhesive or acoustic spray. When masking, the tape under the sprayed ceiling should be applied at the desired thickness. So for 25mm spray work, the tape with plastic should be positioned 25mm below the sprayed ceiling. Step 2. Preparing the surface. The surface must be clean, dry, and moisture resistant. Remove all dust, grease, rust, and loose particles. Paint layers must adhere well. Only a perfect surface guarantees optimal adhesion of the spray layer. Step 3. Prepare materials and equipment. Use 3 essential machines: a cellulose blowing machine, a blower box for constant airflow, an adhesive pump. Fill the water tank with the adhesive solution and fill the cellulose machine with the Acomo Acoustic Cellulose. Install all machines carefully and check that everything is connected correctly. When the sprayed layer is too wet, more Acomo Acoustic Cellulose should be added. This can be easily adjusted by opening one or more holes on the slider of the cellulose blowing machine, as you can see. If the sprayed layer is too dry, one or more holes should be closed by sliding the slider. Step 4. The spraying process. Spray in even, overlapping strokes at a constant distance of approximately 1.5 meters from the surface. Work in several layers of approximately 4mm at a time until the desired thickness is achieved. Check the layer thickness regularly with a layer thickness measurer and correct where necessary. Step 5. Completing the work. Carefully remove the masking material. Repair any minor damage to the spray layer immediately. Clear away all materials and equipment and leave the work area clean and tidy. Allow the applied acoustic spray to dry slowly in a stable indoor climate without drafts or temperature fluctuations. Finally, give the customer a brief explanation of how to maintain the acoustic layer that has been applied. Maintenance and repair. Regular maintenance is important to preserve the acoustic effect. Keep the room dust-free and replace the air filters of the ventilation system in good time to limit the supply of dust. Clean the surface dry only, for example, with a soft brush or vacuum cleaner. Never use water or cleaning agents. For stains, treat the surface carefully and always test the treatment on an inconspicuous area first. To repair minor damage, touch up locally with the same material in color and thickness. For larger renovations, remove loose parts, apply a primer if necessary, and then spray on a new layer.